Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. What's up, guys? I wanted to show you my newest pickup, upgrading from the 11 to the 13 Pro. This is supposed to have better camera, better battery life. I mean, I ended up getting the 1 terabyte just because I'm a content creator, so I figured it'd be a good look. But I mean, look at this phone. It looks beautiful. I am an Apple fanboy for life. Always been on Team Apple. I just love the ecosystem, makes everything that much easier. I've tried other phones in the past. I'm sure they are better, but like I said, I'm just so tied into that ecosystem. So you guys can see right away, getting into the 13 Pro, it just looks dope. I went with the graphite model. I do wish they did bring back that green, but you can see the sizing difference between the two phones. I mean, that bezel is that much thicker, and it makes sense. Bigger battery, camera is just OD. You guys can see the way they stick out, which I have no problem with. Just makes things a lot easier being able to just carry around my phone and, you know, make vlogs and content. It comes down to it. Getting into the box, one thing that I'm always disappointed with is that they no longer give you that charging block. They just give you the cables, which, I mean, for the price you're paying for a phone like this, it's pretty disappointing. And then you get your Apple stickers, blah, blah, blah. Not really that important. But what is important is the accessories needed for your iPhone. I got a bunch of stuff here from Nomad that I wanted to show you guys. First being this leather case. I truly love these products, and I'm actually an ambassador for them. So I'm just throwing it out there because I did end up reaching out to them, seeing if we could reactivate our partnership, and we are back at it. So they sent me a bunch of really dope stuff. First things first is this case that they sent me. This is one of the most modern cases I feel like you can get on the market. I've had tons of their other cases on my previous phones, and you know, they've held up well. My favorite thing is that this case is actually made up of hornwing leather, and it protects your phone. The case just speaks for itself. I feel like I don't even really need to say anything. What's really nice about this one is you guys can see you have the MagSafe on the back. Makes everything super seamless as far as charging. And what's really dope is that you have this built-in NFC digital business card. So now it's super simple. If you ever run into someone, they're like, oh, can I get your business card? You're just like, here, boom, tap right to their phone. They have your information. Now I wanted to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, Skillshare. I've mentioned this plenty of times, and honestly, I appreciate the fact that they support this channel in the first place. But Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, you know, really depending on your existing passions, new passions, or you might be like me and have some lost creativity. I've been using Skillshare to really help me kind of make content at the highest level. If you guys haven't noticed, that's really from some of the classes that I've been taking. One of the classes that I've been really into is by Tabitha Park. It's advanced lighting, 3 ways to level up your product photography. As you guys know, I have a brand, and just creating content in general, lighting is so important. And with daylight savings, man, and it getting dark early, I gotta be on point with my lighting. And the best thing about them being a sponsor is the fact that the first 1,000 of you guys to click the link down below are gonna get a complete free month trial of Skillshare. It's not gonna cost you anything. So, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't try it. A lot of you guys have tried it, so make sure to let everybody know down below in the comments why they should try it out. Next thing we have is this base station stand, which is super dope. This eliminates a lot of those dead spots that come with a lot of these multi-chargers. And what I really like about this is not only can I charge my iPhone, but you know, when my iPhone is in use, I can put my AirPods on there and it's gonna charge them up, no problem. I love the design on all these products just because they are super modern, super clean, and I just feel like you can't go wrong with having black in your setup. It just looks phenomenal. So in the box, you guys can see we have the charging cord, the actual base station, the charging block, Apple take notes, and then you guys can see all the details about the product right here. Now, honestly, after a few days of just having this phone, I truly love it. I'm actually really glad that I made the upgrade. There's a lot of little technical things that we could always talk about, but I'm not really into all that, man. I'm just more of, I got the product, it's fire, keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? So it's definitely worth the upgrade if you're coming from like an 11 and below, in my opinion. If you have the 12, I don't necessarily know if it's an upgrade. You can kind of tell me based on what you've seen, but like I said, way faster. I mean, that refresh rate on the screen is amazing. The battery life has been great. And you can't ever go wrong with a camera if you create content, plan on creating content. I mean, it's crazy to see what phones have become and if we'll even need these huge DSLRs in the future. But other than that, it is a definite cop for me. I will update you guys later on with a review, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this tech side of me. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.